Okay, friends, this week we are at Dollar Tree and they got some cute stuff like this. It's $4.25. I think it's a decent price. It's so darn cute. And they got some cute ceramic pumpkins too. Different colors and shapes and size. This one is cute also. I love this. These are big, or these are styrofoam. But this is cute design. This one feels like it's wood. And they're each $1.25. These are also $1.25. I think these prices are reasonable. They're a nice size too. And then you have the candles. I smelled it and it didn't smell like anything, but it's $1.25. It's a decent size. To me, it doesn't have any scent though, so I won't buy it. But if you need it for decoration, then definitely get it. But it does not have any scent. These are cute though. They are each for $1.25 and they come in two separate colors. And then I love these. I have the Christmas ones from last year. I didn't get any of these, but as you can see, they make sound and they light up, and they're only for $1.25. I definitely love these. They have these 3-piece picks of velvet pumpkin clips for $1.25 each, and they have them in different colors, a variety of different colors you can choose from. Here is a tabletop decor, leaves falling, autumn is calling. I like this side, nice and long. If your kids love to color, these are nice options. You can give them as gifts, or if you make a Halloween baskets, these are cute. Coloring book. Oh, you have these little, five very little pumpkins. It's a cute storybook. You can buy it for your kid and read them as a bedtime story. Or if your kid is old enough and can read by itself, it will be a nice little book for them to read. This one is also cute too. You also have these like mini candy jars. You can put candy in and squeeze out. And then you have the skull and the bubbling pot. And they have these little trick-or-treat baskets. They have them in purple, white, blue, black, and orange. I like this. Hey boo. A cute coffee cup. It's really cute. These little scullies are nice too. And then you have stuff for your kitchen like the mittens. They have them in different designs and styles. They even have the purple one, working magic, orange, black. They're cute. Skulls as decor, pens and stuff. You have this cute rat. And then you have this. This is a cute garland, skeleton garland for $1.25. And then you have these styrofoam pumpkins. They have them in different, colors. And then you have the pumpkin picks. You also have these ones. They have a nice selection of pumpkins. Velvet. And then of course you have the smaller ones up there. But my absolute favorite thing to get from Dollar Tree during this time are their signs. They have some really cute signs that are very affordable. There's nothing more gorgeous than pumpkin season. This is cute. These are my favorite things to get from here. Their signs for your tea tray or your thing. This one is new. This is cute. I love these. Feeling blessed. These are cute. And then of course they have the checkered, orange checkered and white ones. They also have yard picks too, guys. Not to mention Halloween candy, a ton of Halloween candy to choose from. I still have these that I got from about 2 years ago and they still hold up so strong. I think I need the orange one because I didn't get the orange, but they are cute. And of course those signs. These are glow in the dark. And you have those up there. I think I bought one of the chain last year. I don't know where it is. I forgot where I put it. I don't remember. They even have these here. They do got other Christmas stuff. It's not a lot though. And of course these picks. I do love these picks. Also they have the pumpkin and they have the ghost, and then they have these. So Dollar Tree has updated their game and added some more stuff, so I like that. And then these are nice too, and they have the skull one, they have the color and the gray one, and then you have these for, this is more like for Thanksgiving and stuff, but it's still fall, so it's orange and J. And then of course these they've had, I think, year round, but I also love getting these from Dollar Tree too. You can't go wrong with their glassware. So cute, gorgeous. And they have the matching mug, and then of course this pumpkin cup. This is so darn cute. And then they have the red one, so you have red, orange, and so forth. And then these, and they got garlands and florals. They have gnomes, and then you have this thing right here. You have this thankful speed sign. And then for the floral, you have a variety of different florals to choose from. Cute. And that is $1.25 per pick. So this is what one of the pick would look like for $1.25. And then you have more pumpkins, a sign and stuff, and these are really cute too. But that is it, guys. That concludes my Dollar Tree walkthrough for their fall stuff. Oh, I see some stuff right here too. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. Love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.